Hi, it's me, Madam Pamita, and I am so excited for the workshop that I will be hosting this Wednesday, January 24th at 6 p.m. Pacific, 7 p.m. Mountain, 8 p.m. Central, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. As all workshops that I host, it will be recorded, and if you can't make it to the live, of course, you can watch the recording afterwards. The workshop is called Wishcraft, and it's about mastering manifestation. This is such an amazing workshop, and I just want to give you a little peep at what we're going to be covering. So in this workshop, we'll be talking about what is magic, releasing negative belief. We'll be talking about playful wishing, such a fun thing to open up in our practice. Then I'll be going over some amazing wishing spells that you can add to maybe the already existent wishing practice that you have. We'll be talking about wishing with the moon, pulling in your wishes. We'll be talking about a plethora of magical plants and how they are used in wishing spells. And then we'll talk about some amazing wishing tools that you can add to your practice. We'll talk about wishing with spirits and working with spirits to manifest your wishes. And we'll be talking about amplifying your wishes as well, what you can do to really amp up their power and make them manifest faster. Lastly, we'll be doing a wish together and getting that wishing practice in. So much fun. So anyway, this is going to be the Wishcraft Mastering Manifestation Workshop, and I hope to see you there.